Located in the heart of Kowloon Peninsula, Yau Ma Tei possess a rich history of local Chinese community development since 1870s. The neighborhood is well known for its land reclamation history and the once flourishing Shanghai Street and Temple Street during 1950 to 1970s. From the 1990s till now, the busiest area had been shifted to Mong Kok and Nathan Road, so the atmosphere of Old Town remains on Shanghai Street. Having such rapidly changing landscape of Yau Ma Tei over the recent 100 years, collective memories are almost never shared by different generations of the residents. As the boomers' generation pass away, collective memories and culture of the golden era of Hong Kong in this neighborhood will be faded out. Time is limited to conserve the disappearing landscape of Old Street and knowledge owned by our senior neighborhood in Yau Ma Tei. Imaging Together is an initiative designed to facilitate co-learning and interaction among community residents by co-designing prototypes of screening sessions in the neighborhood. The main target to be co-designing with are from those who are grown up since the post-World War II period to the youngest labor force of Gen Z, with about 50 to 60 years of gap. Every screening event consists of presenting still or moving images and a discussion session. The images are relates to the old street view, way of living, costume from people's everyday lives in a period of time in the past and present. Depending on nature of participants, tools like stationery, pieces of drawing paper, clips and cloth, etc. are recommended to record the discussion. With approximately 40% of Yau Ma Tei's land set for redevelopment, the community faces the loss of familiar gathering spaces. Reports indicate that approximately 41 old shops operated over 50 years in Hong Kong closed during 2020 to 2024, where 6 shops are located in the Yau Ma Tei neighborhood, leading to a decline in community cohesion. The goal of Imaging Together initiative is to activate continuous socialization across diverse social circles, generations, specifically targeting both new and long-standing residents, old shop owners, history and culture enthusiasts, and social workers. Through these initiatives, we aim not only to enhance interaction among residents, but also to collect and preserve the community's history and culture. We anticipate the participation of at least 100 community residents. Local knowledge and collective memories, as well as the ways different generations cope with life's challenges, can be transmitted to younger generations. Support the Imaging Together initiative, and let us collectively rebuild community connections and sustain the relationship of Yau Ma Tei neighborhood. Thank you.
咁你咪點心師傅，咁又唔係上菜嗰個蝦餃燒賣啊！你係揸點心啫，又俾人哋蝦踢入會。